What happens when you eat yogurt before bed? It may sound unusual, but this simple nighttime snack can actually support your digestion, improve your sleep, and even help your muscles recover overnight. Let's break down what happens inside your body when you make yogurt part of your evening routine. First, digestion and gut health. Yogurt is rich in probiotics, beneficial bacteria that support a healthy gut microbiome. Eating it before bed gives your digestive system live cultures to work with overnight, when your body is focused on healing and repair. This can lead to improved digestion, reduced bloating, and even stronger immunity over time. Next, sleep quality. Yogurt contains tryptophan, an amino acid that helps your body produce serotonin and melatonin, two hormones that regulate your sleep cycle. It also contains calcium and magnesium, which help calm your nervous system and promote deeper sleep. Now, muscle repair. Yogurt is packed with casein protein, a slow-digesting protein that feeds your muscles throughout the night. This is especially helpful if you've worked out during the day and want to support recovery while you sleep. Yogurt can also help manage late-night cravings. Its protein and fat content helps you feel full and satisfied, which may prevent snacking on sugary or processed foods right before bed. What might you notice after eating yogurt before bed for 5 to 7 nights? Better digestion and less bloating. Deeper, more restful sleep. Reduced cravings at night. Improved muscle recovery, and even a better mood the next morning. The key is choosing the right yogurt. Look for unsweetened Greek yogurt or regular plain yogurt with live active cultures. Avoid flavored or high-sugar versions. They'll work against you. You can add cinnamon, chia seeds, berries, or even a drizzle of honey if you need a touch of sweetness. So, what happens when you eat yogurt before bed? You fuel your gut, relax your body, and give your muscles what they need, all while you sleep. Simple, nourishing, powerful.